Welcome to Herbology Haven, where we explore the wonders of nature and their impact on our health. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Ginkgo biloba, one of the oldest living tree species on Earth, often referred to as a living fossil. Ginkgo biloba, commonly known as ginkgo, has been around for over 200 million years. Known for its distinctive fan-shaped leaves and incredible resilience, ginkgo has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Today, it's widely recognized for its potential health benefits, especially in enhancing cognitive function and circulation. Ginkgo biloba is a deciduous tree that can grow up to 35 meters tall. Its unique, fan-shaped leaves and small, yellow seeds are not only visually striking but also contribute to its medicinal properties. This hardy tree can live for over 1,000 years, earning its nickname as a living fossil. In traditional Chinese medicine, ginkgo has a long history of use. It was traditionally used to treat ailments such as asthma, bronchitis, and kidney disorders. The seeds and leaves were especially valued for their ability to improve blood circulation and brain function. The primary active compounds in ginkgo are flavonoids and terpenoids. These compounds have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, helping to protect cells from damage and improve blood flow, particularly to the brain. Ginkgo biloba is used in various therapeutic applications. It's known for enhancing cognitive function, improving memory, and boosting mental clarity. Additionally, it supports circulatory health, which is beneficial for conditions like peripheral artery disease. Ginkgo's antioxidant properties also help fight oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Lastly, it may even help regulate mood, alleviating symptoms of anxiety and depression. While ginkgo is generally considered safe when taken in appropriate doses, it can cause side effects such as headaches, dizziness, and digestive issues in some individuals. It's important to be cautious, especially if you're on blood thinners or have a bleeding disorder. Ginkgo supplements are regulated by various health authorities to ensure quality and safety. Standardized extracts, typically containing 24% flavonoid glycosides and 6% terpenoids, are commonly used in research and commercial products to ensure consistency and efficacy. Ginkgo trees are cultivated worldwide, particularly in China, Japan, and Korea. They thrive in both urban and rural environments, and their leaves are usually harvested in the fall, while seeds are collected once they ripen. Once harvested, ginkgo leaves are dried and processed to create extracts used in supplements. These extracts are available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and liquid extracts. Standardized ginkgo biloba extracts ensure consistent levels of active compounds for therapeutic use. Ginkgo holds significant cultural value in many Asian countries, symbolizing longevity and resilience. It's often planted in temple gardens and urban landscapes, admired not only for its beauty but also for its historical and cultural importance. Recent research focuses on ginkgo's potential in preventing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and improving overall brain health. Innovations in extraction and formulation techniques are being developed to enhance the bioavailability and effectiveness of ginkgo supplements. Numerous clinical trials have explored ginkgo's effects on cognitive function, dementia, and circulatory health. Some studies suggest that ginkgo can improve cognitive performance in healthy individuals and those with mild cognitive impairment, though results vary. Challenges in ginkgo research include variability in study results and the need for more large-scale, long-term studies. Future research aims to better understand the mechanisms of ginkgo's effects and explore its potential in other health conditions. Now, let's answer some frequently asked questions about Ginkgo biloba. What is Ginkgo biloba? Ginkgo biloba is a tree known for its distinctive fan-shaped leaves and its use in traditional medicine. It's one of the oldest living tree species and is often called a living fossil. What are the main health benefits of Ginkgo biloba? Ginkgo biloba is known for its potential to enhance cognitive function, improve circulation, and provide antioxidant protection. It may also help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. How can Ginkgo biloba improve cognitive function? Ginkgo biloba can improve cognitive function by enhancing blood flow to the brain and providing antioxidant protection. It may help improve memory, attention, and mental clarity. Are there any side effects of taking Ginkgo biloba? Some individuals may experience side effects such as headaches, dizziness, and digestive issues. Ginkgo can also interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners. Can Ginkgo biloba interact with medications? Yes, Ginkgo biloba can interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners, anticoagulants, and antiplatelet drugs. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting Ginkgo biloba supplements if you are on medication. By understanding the many aspects of Ginkgo biloba, from its health benefits to its traditional uses, we can better appreciate this ancient tree and incorporate it into our daily lives for improved wellness. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this knowledge. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. See you in the next video.